I have no idea. I can't see shit, so I have no idea what's going on back here, if you can see Megan or not. Anyway, hi. Another episode here. Delbert doing dumb shit, sitting in the back of a 4Runner. Sitting in the back of a 4Runner, yeah, watching a movie, getting ready to go to bed, and then we're gonna go hike the Mount Saint Cross of the Jerusalem, Holy Saint John's of Grail, something. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the morning. Well, welcome back to another episode of Delbert doing dumb shit. We are up here on the side of this mountain, Mount St. John's of the Holy Saint Cross of Jerusalem, or something. I don't know. Here's your view. It's pretty for now. We're going that way. A lot of boulders. In case you ever wondered what it was like up here, let me show you. Walk 10 feet, catch your breath, take in a view, and repeat. Oh, this is stupid. Check in soon.